I love $5 bill notes, and this $5 bill in this video sold for $780, and I'm going to tell you exactly why and what you need to be looking for on your rare bills to see if they're worth a lot of money. So without wasting any more time, let's just hop right into this video. So this is a 1950 $5 bill. Now the back of the bill looks very normal, but it's only when you flip the bill over you can see something is wrong here. Now this one was graded by PMG at a 63. Now the highest grade in grading is 70, but the 63 grade means that there are no folds whatsoever on this bill. But the reason that it didn't get a higher grade is because when you look at the centering, if you see left to right, those margins there, the centering is way off. There's a thick border on the right and a thin border on the left. The more centered your bill is in the uncirculated grade, the better. I say that because if this bill was to have graded higher, it would have brought a lot more money than $780. But really quickly, you can tell that the overprint is inverted. Now to tell you the printing process in about 5 seconds, the way it happens is there are blank sheets of paper and the back of the bill is printed first, then the second print is the front of the bill, and then the third and final print is the print you see here that is inverted. If you ever come across an inverted overprint error like this one, your $5 bill could be worth $780 just like this one that sold in this video. I'm launching a coin and currency mastermind class that is coming soon. Click that link below to join the waitlist and I will see you inside.